This is how you are going to sign up for NotebookLM Plus. As you can see right here, I am in the Pro version, and this is how you're going to do that. First, you're going to open your browser, and then you're going to go to notebooklm.google.com. And then from here, you're going to sign in with your existing Google account. So you should be able to see your profile right here. And as you can see, I already am signed in. So you can also create one for free if you do not have one already. Now, once signed in, you can actually use NotebookLM for free if you prefer, or if you just want to try it. But if you want to upgrade, then you will land on the main Notebook LM dashboard. You're going to look for the upgrade or get Notebook LM Plus option. If you cannot see it, it is usually visible in the left side menu or at the top of the page right here. So you can see this is my plan. If you cannot see it from there, you can head over to settings and then click on manage subscription, and it will take you to your Google One page right there. So if you don't already have a membership, here's how you can do that. So you can see this Google One plan right there. So one thing about Notebook LM is that it is under the Google AI Pro subscription, or the Google One plan. So you're gonna have to get Google One before you can get Notebook LM Plus. So it is a part of Google One AI Premium, or through the Google Workspace plan. So you're just gonna have to select among the plans that suits you from here, and then you're gonna click on get started or subscribe. Or if you already have a Google One subscription but it doesn't come with the Notebook LM yet, you can just click on upgrade right here depending on the subscription that you want. And then with Notebook LM Plus, you get significantly higher usage limits. So for mine, or for my subscription, I already have this 5 terabyte plan, which is definitely a huge amount of storage already. I do not have any limitations anymore. Literally, no matter how many notebooks I make in Notebook LM, it doesn't matter. Like you can see here that I usually upload a lot of sources for my notebooks. I have here 9 sources, and it can do whatever I can. I also have the power to use all of the studio output right there. So you can see audio overview, slide deck, and all of these stuffs. I can use this without any limitation. So to start using it, just go back to notebooklmgoogle.com, click on the new notebook. We're just going to head back. You can just click on create new right here, and then you can start uploading your documents, PDFs, or links, just like how you see from here. And then you can see, or you can also use these services right here. You can ask questions, generate summaries, and create study guides directly from your uploaded materials.